slab out some clay to use to cover this bird. Now, oftentimes, because I have a slab roller and I do a lot of projects where I'm just wrapping clay around and getting started that way, sometimes I can slab out some clay, and I have a long plastic bin out in the garage, and I can slab out the clay, put plastic down, put a layer of clay, plastic layer of clay, and anyway, so I fill the box. Then when I know I'm going to be working on something, I can pull out a big slab of clay. Now, the nice thing about this product is I can have that big slab of clay. It can be dry as a bone. And what I do is I can wrap it in a big wet towel and reconstitute it. So then I can go ahead and use that big slab whenever I want. I don't have to flatten it every time. I can just use what I have, reconstitute it, and away I go.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.